The Catholic Bishops' Conference of PNG and Solomon Islands is assisting the Afghan refugees to find solutions to their future in light of the violence and unrest back in their country. In a press conference recently, CBC PNG Solomon Islands facilitated discussions between the refugees and the PNG immigration on the current status of the refugees and their future.
Actually, our situation is very difficult to understand because it's dealing with two countries like Australian and PNG. If last time we asked them from the JDAs and all to write a letter to them to if they can bring our families or help our families to in here, and they just said that we will discuss, we will talk about that.
He said with Taliban taking over, all communication to the families back home has been sabotaged. The CBC PNG Solomon Islands invited the Chief Immigration Officer to the press conference to shed some light on the issue.
I have now put in mechanisms in place for us to deal with such situations going forward, so that in future when Papua New Guinea is confronted with a situation like this, from an immigration perspective, we are better prepared to negotiate terms and conditions properly in terms of such bilateral programs.
He stated that as a Melanesian country, we have never been exposed to a situation like this before until the RRA program.
I have put in what we call a Refugee Status Determination Steering Committee, and the committee is made up of very well experienced as well as eminent Papua New Guineans.
That is the committee that will help the Chief Immigration Officer to seriously find durable solutions for the refugees living in PNG. Frida Kana, TV1 News.